Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this cartoon effect. So let's go. So I want my animation to be cartoony. What should we do, we ask. You may say that we have a built-in plugin in After Effects called Cartoon, and it does its job very well. So let's try it. First, I will add an adjustment layer and I will call it Cartoon Effect. What this adjustment layer does is when you add effects to it, it will affect all those layers below it. So I will add the cartoon effect. So right away you can see that cartoon effect does its job very well. You can see that we don't have strokes right here, so we will tweak this to get our desired style. So right away I think we just achieved what we wanted, and I think I'm gonna end my tutorial here. So I will see you in the next tutorial, guys. Goodbye. No, wait. I see something. My render time takes forever. Guys, this is not the way. No, this is not the way. So what is the problem with the cartoon effect? Well, the first problem is we have so many values that we have to change to get our desired style. And the second problem is the render time takes forever. Even my mouse is getting dizzy. Look, this is not the way. And I appreciated Adobe for making a cartoon effect, but it doesn't do its job very well. So what should we do? Well, first you delete this, boom, gone. And just pay attention to what I am about to show you. So let's do it. So the first thing we have to do is add the first effect, which is find edges. The name says it. It finds the edges of the layers. Okay? We have so many edges right here. The second thing we must do is keying out the white areas. What I mean is I want those whites to be gone and I only want those lines to be available for me. So the best plugin for that is Linear Color Key. What basically Linear Color Key does is keying out the color that I choose from here. In this case, I want the whites to be gone. So I will choose the white color. Be gone, whites. Boom, the whites are gone. So let me just turn off this transparency grid, and you will see that we just achieved our line art. But we want those lines not to be colored, but we want them to be a solo color, like a black color. So the third effect to add is the fill effect. And I will choose the black color. So right away you can see that we have a nice line art animation. But we are not done yet. So we want those lines to be blended with the original animation. I want these lines to be mixed with our original animation. So what should we do? There's a plugin called CC Composite. So let's try it. CC Composite. First thing you want to do is uncheck this RGB only. And you want the blend mode to be darken or multiply or linear burn. It doesn't matter what you choose. And boom, we have our cartoony effect. Look, the render time is fast and I like it. But we are not done yet. What if I want my strokes to be thicker? What if I want them to be more aggressive? Or what if I want them to be thinner or more light? Well, in this case, my friends, I have another effect to show you that you can have a full control of your cartoon effect, full control of the strokes that you've created. What is it? Well, my friends, it's called Simple Choker. But be careful, we want the Simple Choker to be added before CC Composite in order to work. So let's see. Ah, yes. See, we have full control over our effect, over our strokes, over our cartoon effect. And this was what I was about to show you, guys. So if you want to be thinner, you will have to go up. If you want to be thicker, you will have to go down. In this case, I want to be thicker. -5. And we are done, my friends. Let's review our animation. So cool. But you can also add some interesting effects besides this cartoony effect. For example, one that I found is interesting is transform effect. So let's add it. But be careful, you want the effect, you want whatever effect you want to be added before CC Composite. So let's add transform effect. So I will add transform effect before CC Composite. And look, I will nudge this a little bit to the right. Cool. Let's preview. Look what I have just showed you. So cool, so artistic. You can also add, for example, a scatter or roughen edges. So let's try roughen edges. So we just add a roughen edges. You can change these to cut, spiky, or rusty. Cool, man, I like rusty. And here it is. We just made a cartoony effect, and then we offsetted the cartoon strokes to the right a little bit, and then we added a rusty effect. This is before, and this is after. Before, after. And that's it, my friends. But don't just go yet, because I have a tip or a bonus for you. You can save those effects as one in effects and presets. How? You just select all these. In the animation, you choose save animation presets. And you save in documents, Adobe, After Effects, whatever version you are, and user presets. And we have some effects. We will call our effect cartoony. And we will click save. I will just delete this effect. So we have clean non-effect adjustment layer. So in effects and presets, we will search for cartoony. And we will add to the adjustment layer. Boom! It is done, my friends. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, that if you want, for example, only this layer to be affected, it will be no problem. You just delete your adjustment layer. You only want this ladder to be cartoony. So you will add the cartoony effect to it. And here it is. You have a cartoony ladder. Thank you guys for your patience. If you want to be a part of my journey and if you want to follow my tutorials, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will definitely motivate me for making more videos for you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. God bless and goodbye.